Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, in today's episode, I'm going to be showing us how to use the Morph features in your presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, without taking much of your time, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to go to Insert. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be using the inbuilt in stock 3D models. Okay. Um, Here you have different options to pick whatever models you want. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this. Okay, this. Click on, after you select the one you want, you click on Insert. As you can see, it will come out like this, but then you use put your cursor here, tap on it. It's going to allow you to be able to, put it or direct it to the shape or direction you want it to be. And then you come back here and click on Ctrl D to duplicate it. And then go to the second slide where you already duplicated. And then same features or the same way you want to control it, like I said in the first slide. And then you come down to transitions and then click on Morph. As you can see, easy peasy. And there you have it. Easy, right? To enjoy more tips like this, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget that we'll be hosting a free course on Microsoft Office Suite. The link will be in the description. See you in the next video next time. Bye.